If you can't make or receive audio or video calls on Instagram on Android, here's how to fix it. First, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak, switch between them or restart your router. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh the network. Next, make sure Instagram has permissions to use your microphone and camera. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Permissions, and enable microphone, camera and phone permissions. Without this, Instagram won't allow video or audio calls. If Instagram calls still don't work, clear the app cache by going to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram app from the list and tap on it. Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary glitches that might be causing the issue. Check if your Instagram app is updated by opening the Google Play Store, searching for Instagram and tapping Update if available. Older versions may have bugs that cause call issues. If calls are not working for a specific person, ask them to check their permissions and update their app as well. If the problem persists, log out and log back in to refresh your account session. You can also restart your phone to clear minor software glitches. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall Instagram. Long press the app, tap Uninstall. Restart your phone, then download it again from the Google Play Store. If nothing works, report the issue to Instagram by going to your profile, then Settings. Scroll down to Help, then Report a problem, and follow the instructions. That's it. Hopefully, this helps you fix the Instagram video and audio call issues. If this worked, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.